Premier League after 27 games. Now the caliber of teams now are competing for the league trophy now for the first time in so many years. Hearts and Kotoko, a some person competing now back with the league. Based on my observations, it's between Hearts of Oak and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now the points gap now is just 2. Hearts of Oak are massive 49, Kotoko 47. And the likes of Great Olympics and Mediama. For me, Olympics and Mediama, at a point in time, they were teams that are competing for the title. But then almost consistent based on the results are almost enya so far. And you could see Hearts of Oak in the last 5 games, they winning now. And 5 games, almost 8 goals without conceding a goal. And Kotoko in their last 3 games, about draws back with 3. I don't hear draws or move now. As a team, I can't just few games to end the league. You don't play a lot of draws and expect to win the Premier League. And so for that factor, and also Mark Kotoko, a lot of problems. Without a folk, they have everything to win the league. Now, over 5 home games, where you back for where you winning against Brooklyn Chelsea. You still have 4 consecutive games to play at Accra Sports Stadium, which some of them are away games. Yes, Ubetimaka say Obo Mediama, a tough game. Legon Cities, a tough game. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a tough game. In all these games, if you are able to manage yourself well, you could get all the 3 points because over Legon Cities are losing games at Accra. Mediama will lose in the second round against a Great Olympics at Accra. So they've also not had that consistent run that you say Mediama and so Enyano. And so hard to have the opportunities. Now, okay games I have said in the last 7 games. Omoko Cape Coast 1. Ako the Sogako Peswaka. Apart from those 2 games, Omoboni now Accra because almost have some games are flexible for them before those teams are making Akobon. And their last game is against Wafa or Sogako. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Obobo Inter Allies. Osha only Ash go to both this weekend. Osha Kotoko fixtures are in fact all the top fixtures now they are not able to show some best of those games. And Osha for me they have a lot of challenges, especially Mariano Barreto now or indecisive, even with the goalkeeping department, either to use Abelora or to use Felix Anand. A lot of pressure on him now. Just starting league now, Abelora coach Mariano Barreto better take over. The midfield no about Habib. Now we're converting Habib back to the usual number 5 position to pair Ismail Abdul Ghani, a bench Yusuf Mubarak, and elbow Kayeke. That is also another change in here. Coach in the area, and for me, he has not had that core team now. Now, in the absence of Kwame Poku, in the second round, Kotoko started having those good score lines or winning where this one is involved in goals. But for now, things are not going all well for them, and that is another challenge for me. Kotoko had to float so far. Statistics based on player performance. Had to float. Kojo Obin Junior top form. And FA Cup goal. So in 3 consecutive games, goal. Wings now Isaac Mensah, Patrick Razak, Daniel Barnier, free effort they are putting. Imana Nate, Frederick Ansabo back from injury. Salif Ibrahim on top former. I wouldn't be surprised. Had to could clinch their 21st league title in the Ghana Premier League, of course, based on the players on Omicron. For Kumasi Asante Kotoko, yes, and the Kumi is doing well. August Nokra picked form in the second round. Yimano JMP picked form. Onusu Yade, Kayeka returning from injury. Mudasiru on top form. Fabio Gama doing exceptionally well. And then Osha on the defense now. Imoro Ibrahim would be out for some time, for 2 games, because Japan I'm for friendly game under 23 or maybe 2 games. Osha, Christopher Nate, and then Yusuf Mubarak, Habib Mohamed, Ismail Abdul Ghani. Yes, they have that good team, but then a bit of inconsistency, everything I'm hard to fluke. Ever picking the league. So Bisamia, honestly speaking, based on statistics, numbers, teams no consistency in the game. Coach Samogwedu getting the team, even though yes, in the second half, AI is suspect because Oban in the first half, and in the second half here. Now in the second half, AI is suspect in the first half here. I can clearly bet with everything here, Heart to Fluke could clinch the league title in the 2020-2021 season.